Gabby and Gabby in Seattle.
Gabby and Gabby in Seattle.
Cute. It's like Hi besties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video diary. Packed my bag and I got ready for the day as we are here in Seattle and I'm about to embark on my girls' day with Gabby. We're having like a Gabby x Gabby crossover episode. I'm so excited. Gabby and I have been friends for 6 years now through the internet. Our friendship is just so unique because yes, we met through the internet, but like we're actually really close in real life. But we never really see each other, but we FaceTime each other all the time. We're always texting. And now we are finally having a day together. So anyways, I'm here in this beautiful hotel room. Like, are you joking? The One Hotel is kindly hosting us for the weekend, so I'm just very grateful and just so excited to be here. This hotel makes it so easy to like stay in your routine. We had an early morning gym sesh just to kind of keep in a routine of waking up early, moving our bodies. And I just got ready for the day. I'm wearing my tried and true cropped trench from ASOS. This bag was just sent to me in PR from the brand The Horse. It's like the perfect slouchy bag. So obsessed with this like dark Merlot burgundy color and it fits so much stuff. Gabby's gonna walk over and pick me up. Yeah, she has a whole girls' day planned for us and I am just so excited to spend some quality time with my friend.
Oh my god. Bro, you're so dramatic.
Dude, sometimes I forget you actually exist.
No, we're just
in
like,
real life. Cheers. What a choice. That's fine. Hey, it worked out.
You were pushing the couch around, bro.
Insane. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Do you have a heights thing?
MTV, welcome to my crib. Oh wait, wrong Gabby.
Hello!
Guys, her iconic green couch that you see in every video, I'm on it. It's so cute. Dude, I feel like naps would go hard here. We're on the way to Gabby's pottery studio now because we're gonna just throw something on the wheel. I really want to make an espresso cup because you guys know how much I love my iced cafecitos and I would love a cutie little like memory, like physical memory from this trip. And what are you gonna make?
Just probably another bowl.
Another bowl?
A bigger one.
I love it.
Purse bowl. Oh, a purse bowl.
Oh, that'd be a big one.
I kind of...
This is so cute. It's like cute. Wee. There's a reason why I think the universe doesn't want Gabby and I in the same city, because I think it'd be too much to handle.
I think we would just never not
We're
work
literally
or
like
something.
the same person. It's insane.
Yeah. It's not going.
Gabby and Gabby in Seattle.
Gabby and Gabby in Seattle.
Okay. Dude, I can't get it. The fisheye is so
It's
cool.
fun.
Has a vlogception.
Vlogception.
That's funny. Okay, we are back with a haul, and the first thing we got together are these little book trackers. It kind of gave me like library vibes specifically, and I think it's just a cute way to document like where you're at on the page. Like, what are you gonna do once you're done with like each page?
I am gonna put it in my little memento toolbox.
That'd be cute. I was thinking maybe I'd leave it in the book.
Oh.
Like the front, you know, like
and
the
like
first
the date
page.
you read. Yeah. That'd be kind of cute.
Did you know Cillian Murphy actually every time he finishes a book, he puts the date and then where he's at.
Oh, that's cute.
Because he like travels a lot, so he'll put like the country.
Oh,
like,
that's
the city.
good. That's really good. Okay, we have to do that then. Because this has a start finish. Best
Part of the book. It's like a full-on little book report.
Okay, we have to write that on the back then. That's
Very
really smart because he's just an actor traveling around. Oh, we both got this.
Oh yeah, next we both got copies of The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. This has been in my TBR for forever. I'm so excited. And it's used.
Yes, we went to the used
Even
bookstore.
better. I love the look of like a really good condition of like used books.
Whoa, look at this font. Edition.
Yeah, your cover is so cool.
What is yours?
It's like the OG.
Oh, it's just legs. All right.
Alright.
Next. You go.
Next.
You have the
Okay.
cool ones.
Y'all, these, I did not mean to go this hard, but what was the place called?
Frida. I went to Frida.
Yeah, she took me to Frida, and it's like basically vintage curation.
And some like minor retail.
You guys, I have been on the hunt for like the perfect rectangle lens, just clear glass.
Yeah, it looks good.
Is it giving sexy reader?
It is getting very sexy.
Wait, I love them. Let me look in the mirror.
No, they're like
That was so coded. I'm looking at the camera.
Let me look at the clear.
Wait.
No, I'm not getting like. Not to glaze her, but
Glaze
like
me.
when she put them on, I was like, yeah.
Yeah, she knew it was coming. I am obsessed with these frames. You guys know I wear my blue light glasses all the time, but I don't have any rectangle lens like
they're
this.
pretty good.
Kuma looks so locked in to what I'm saying right
Yeah,
now.
because the toy, like look toy.
I know.
Right here.
Hawaiian son.
Yeah. This is Kuma's toy.
He's an island boy.
I picked up a new copy of Iron Flame and I dropped it. Oh, there's the damage.
Aww.
It's not too bad.
Adds
It's
character.
already used, but we both don't know why this book is bigger than the other copies.
It's a little bit bigger than the original.
Maybe there's bonus chapters in here.
She hasn't read the bonus chapters of Iron Flame, period.
I didn't even
You know there's some in like the first book too.
I'm just gonna have to do some research because I genuinely didn't know there were bonus chapters, and also the font in here are saying looks still normal and small. So yeah. Anyway, there's something in here that I have a hunch is new. Anyway, I'm excited.
The cover's gorgeous.
The cover's gorgeous.
And then the last thing that I got is my first ever Midori notebook. They didn't have just like the regular, what is it called, lined.
Mm-hmm.
I got grid, and I'm excited because it's like a flat lay book, and I've been needing a new journal anyways because I'm almost done with my Muji one. But I'm finally on the Midori chain.
She's graduating.
stunning.
Look, there's one right there
I
in
am
front of you.
graduating.
That's my learning log.
I was inspired.
I think
I was influenced by the
I
influencer.
bought the last one at that place. This is the one I got.
What?
But I thought they would have restocked by now. But this is the dotted one. Like
The
it's
dotted is
not-
nice.
The dotted's nice. The dotted's nice.
But I got the grid. The grids
Very
are
good.
cute.
This is my last thing that I got. It's a coffee table book about the 150 bookstores that you need to visit before you die.
That's such a cute book.
It's
I almost
so
got
cute.
that book too.
I think you need to go back for it because it's quite nice.
It is cool.
It is cool, and it's like a travel bucket list too. Like now we can venture out to all these bookstores, wherever this is. It's fun. I like these books because
I
it
need
gives
to be
me
there.
it's like aspirational places to visit around the world.
Dude, imagine you went on like a quest to go to all of these.
That's what I'm saying. Like I kind of want to do it. Like this is one of those things like you technically could. Oh, and Seoul.
Seoul. That's our haul.
That's our haul. Now I hope we're gonna play puzzles.
I love that everything is like so book coded. Besides these, but these
they are. You're gonna read in them.
I wear my blue lights all the time.
You're gonna read in them.
Obsessed.
I'm scared. I'm gonna be slow.
It's fine.
Okay.
No way.
Dude, it's not a comp.
No, you're so fast.
I'm really not.
5 minutes. Wow, let me finish. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Or I'm nervous. Wait, no, like now I'm like really can't find my spot. Okay, one. I'm gonna go one at a time. 1, 2.
You're stuck? I like to go vertical as well, like switch it up. So this has to be one.
Oh, you're so. I didn't do that.
Do you go box by box? No way. Okay, no, not a bad thing.
I do.
Okay, after I'm gonna show you how I do it.
This is one.
Yeah.
I was going box by box my whole life.
Any which way, it cannot be the same, right?
Oh,
but that means
my
any
gosh.
way, not just in your box.
Holy crap! That just changed my life. Oh my god, you just changed my life.
Dude, now you're gonna be
I'm
speedy.
zooming.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
I
duh.
look both ways. When
That
you cross
makes
the street,
sense. Like that makes so much sense. But why on earth?
Oh, I like that one a lot. Shima Aji. It's just like, you know, like a soul food. Yeah. Soul food for me is like good Japanese food.
We're all packed up and ready to head out of Seattle, which I'm so sad. It's been the most fun visit, and you guys, as you can see, yesterday, Gabby and I had a time, okay? I'm so sad to be leaving. I'm so sad to be leaving my friend. But first, we're gonna get my favorite coffee here on the waterfront, and then we're gonna hit IKEA on the way home. I've been eyeing some fun spring pieces, and literally never in Portland, so we need to make a stop. This is the coconut coffee with the salty cream on top. So good. We just got home from Seattle and I'm exhausted, but I really want to show you guys what I got at IKEA. I kind of went balls to the walls, but there's just something in the air. I also love their new like spring collection, but I went in there knowing what I wanted. First thing, practical thing, is this wood cutting board because we need to stop using our plastic cutting boards. So I just got this big wood one. Then I got this little stainless steel tea steeper, I think is what it's called. And then I also got this little sink strainer, so that way I can just easily wash our fruits and vegetables in the sink. Next, I got this little lunch pail because the weather is getting nicer. I want to start taking myself on little solo dates at the park to read, to journal, maybe even like pack my lunch to just eat somewhere outside of the house. These colors are just so cute, especially for the spring and summer, and it can hold quite a bit of things. Then I also got these like canister sets. I really want to use one of them for my brown sugar and maybe the other one for my pods. You guys know how obsessed I am with this like deep Merlot burgundy color. And I'm really into this like dusty pink right now. Like this color combo is just everything. Next, I got these two drinking glasses. These are the perfect size for my morning iced cafecitos. I just have like my one jar that I thrifted, but I really wanted a cute set of two that are identical. Also with drinkware, I got this blush pink mug. It's also perfect size for my tea. Like, I'm definitely gonna wash this and use this tonight. And then lastly, for drinkware, I got this set of two little cups. They kind of remind me of sake cups, but I specifically want these to brew my espresso shots for my iced cafecitos. I just really love this color. It kind of has a hint of like teal. Since I'm absolutely obsessed with the blush pink that we have going on, I got these set of two plates. I didn't want to commit and buy the full tableware set, but if I end up loving these, I will buy the set, and I really love these colors. This is just itching a part of my brain. I think these would be perfect for salads, pastas, but this blush pink is everything. I just want to add more color into my dishware. And I also got the matching bowls. These are perfect size for little yogurt bowls in the morning or just bowls of fruit. And then lastly, I got these light teal dishes. I really love the size of this one, bigger than these, and I think this could just hold like bigger meals. And then I also got the perfect plate. Now that I'm looking at this, I should have gotten two. This is the perfect size for a snack plate. I kind of love these imperfections of the plate. This is just giving me snack plate vibes. Like I want to make a little charcuterie or just a snack plate for lunch. Yeah, that is everything that I got from IKEA. I'm so glad I made the stop on the way home. But anyways, I'm gonna unpack, take an everything shower, maybe do a face mask, and just rest up to have an early productive Monday. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me and for hanging out this weekend. It was so fun hanging out with my close friend Gabby and visiting another city. We love Seattle and we just had a time. And also while you're here, comfy cozy cult, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you need to know. Comment down below the pink heart emoji because I'm clearly in my pink era. And it was also just such a fun girly swirly weekend in the city. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending time with me. I will see you in the next video. Love you, bye.